class 5. Today we will just do the revision and the book exercise of lesson 1 from the English Channel book. It's about Don Quixote, the man who fought windmills. Okay, and we will start with the book exercise today. Okay, so shall we go for it? Okay, now we have question answers I will explain to you later in the conclusion of the video, but we have to start the book exercise, and that refers to it's page number 7. Okay, here you have what you have to write. You have to just write do or have, whatever the words we can use with them. So how I do that, just notice the verbs used with the adventure and good. Let's have an adventure. Do good. We never say do an adventure. We always say have an adventure and have a party. Let's have a party, just like this. So some of the words we can use, although the meaning would be same, है ना? Have a party, चलो party करते हैं. Do a party, but it not sounds like good, because in the spoken language we have some certain rules to say. So first, have an adventure. Do some mischief. 3. Do well. Have a party. Have a good time. Have a fight. Have a dance. Have a picnic. Do good. Have fun. Do your duty. Have respect. Okay, so these are the words. हम मीनिंग सेम है डू और हैव में यहाँ पर, लेकिन हम लोग जब बोलते हैं तो हम लोग इसी तरह से इन वर्ड्स को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे डू एन एडवेंचर नहीं बोल सकते, वो इट्स नॉट करेक्ट इंग्लिश. ओके, वी जस्ट हैव टू से हैव एन एडवेंचर. नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन. हियर वी हैव द मीनिंग्स ऑफ द वर्ड हैप्पी. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हैप्पी? हियर फर्स्ट शुड बी you laugh and smile when you are happy. When you are attentive, ध्यान से देख रहे हो कोई चीज़, तो listen to someone closely. When you are polite, then you behave with respect. When you are confident, just see, जब हम confident होते हैं तब you have trust or strong belief in yourself. When you are obedient, obedient मतलब बड़ों की सबकी बात मानना, है ना? So it's a you do what others ask to you. Okay, now moving to the next exercise. Okay, it is related to the pronunciation of the word. What we have to do, we have to just listen to the words and say them aloud. Match each word to a word from a help box according to its vowel sound. Add 2 more words with the same vowel sound in each row. Okay, so what I have done, hook, just listen the pronunciation. Hook, look, book, took, all are pronounced just like similarly. Okay, rhyming all are. True, true, it's true, true. Flew, clew, grew. Grant, brand, land, sand. Take, make, lake, make, take, bake. Dance, chance, glance, friends. Here, dear, near, fear. Okay, now moving to the page 6. Okay, here we have, no need to do them. Sentences I had already explained in my videos related to sentence. You have to search sentences by English bulk. Okay, so a man in Spain wanted to be a knight. It's just state something, so it's a declarative sentence. Get on your donkey and come with me. Okay, it's an order, na? So that's why imperative sentence. Look at those giants. Exclamatory sentence, because we have an exclamation mark. Where can you see the giants? It's again the interrogative sentence, because we have a question mark in them. Now looking to the next sentence, that was somewhat how interesting one. What we have to do, we have to just affirmative, they are positive sentences given to us, and we have to make them negative sentences. Okay, so what we had done, just look what the verb we have. If we have is, am, are, was, were in the sentences, we just add not with them and make it negative. But just see, Don's horse was not fed. Not आ गया negative. The ball was full of curd. The ball was not full of curd. Was था हमारे पास, not हमने add कर दिया. The windmills were harmless. The windmills were not harmless. We just add not with the helping verb, with the auxiliary given to us. Next, 4th. Sancho talked all time. Now it is difficult one because we don't have is, am, are, was, were in that. But when we faced with this kind of sentences, what we should do, we just look what the verb is. Verb क्या है यहाँ पे, doing action word कौन सा है, talked. Okay, talk present tense होता है, but talked is the second form of the verb, so we just use did. Sacho did not talk all time. Sacho, okay, so why I use here did, because we have second form of the verb and we have do, did, done. Okay, third form is done. Talked, did not, then we just write talk because already the sentence would be in this past tense if we use the did, so never to use talked again after did. The arms of windmill moved. Again we have the second form of the verb is there. The arms of the windmill did not move. He wanted to have an adventure. He did not want to have an adventure. Okay, children, just zoom it, pause it and finish your exercise. Okay, now moving to the next page, and that's we have, okay, change these statements into questions. Now it was the difficult one. Yeah? If you want to see it in detail, you can see in my video and then you can find out. Okay, now let's see the answers I had written already. Here we have, okay, there are many windmills in Chitradurg. What I had to do, I have to just first of all write down the helping verb given to us, and why, because we have to make an interrogative sentence with that. So are there many windmills in Chitradurg? There is a certain pattern now we have to follow. I have written over there. So first of all we use the base form, then do, did, done, or whatever the helping verb we have, is, am, are, was, were in the sentence. So जब हम क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं ना, तो सबसे पहले हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगा देते हैं, फिर हम सब्जेक्ट को लगाते हैं, फिर हम वर्ब को लगाते हैं. यही यहाँ पर फॉलो किया है मैंने. नेक्स्ट, डू चिल्ड्रन वॉन्ट टू हैव अ पिकनिक. नाउ वॉन्ट, यहाँ पर हमारे पास हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं है, इज, एम, आर, वॉज, वर वॉज नॉट देयर. सो व्हाट शुड वी डू, वी जस्ट सी द वर्ब एंड वर्ब इज वॉन्ट. वॉन्ट इज द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, सो आई हैव यूज डू. डू क्यों यूज़ किया, डस क्यों नहीं किया, बिकॉज चिल्ड्रन इज प्लूरल ना, दैट्स वाई. अगर यहाँ पे एक चाइल्ड होता तो मैं यहाँ पे डज यूज़ करती. डू द चिल्ड्रन वॉन्ट टू हैव अ पिकनिक. नेक्स्ट, ही फिनिश हिज होमवर्क क्विकली. नाउ व्हाट्स द वर्ब, फिनिश्ड, ed, second form of the verb second form. Then I use did. He finished his homework quickly. Next, Sancho wants to be a ruler. Does Sancho want to be a ruler? Now does, why I've used does, because wants, s यहाँ पर था तो ये simple present tense, so I've used does because it's singular one. Sancho is only there. Next, we completed this exercise together. Now I use did because it's the second form of the verb. Mother is telling us a story. Is mother telling us a story? Okay children, just pause the video, take a screenshot, whatever you like, and read it. Okay, and finish it in your book or notebook. Now we moving to the next one and we have tag question. Okay, tag question का भी मैंने sentences में video post किया हुआ है ना, जहाँ हमारे पास यहाँ पर हेल्पिंग वर्ब पॉजिटिव होता है तो हम यहाँ नेगेटिव कर देते हैं उसको, और सेम हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज़ करते हैं. टैग क्वेश्चन कैसे बनाते हैं, सबसे पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब, फिर नॉट, फिर सब्जेक्ट. नॉट कब यूज़ करते हैं, जब हमारे इस वाले सेंटेंस में नॉट नहीं हो. अगर यहाँ पर नॉट हो तो यहाँ वापस नॉट नहीं आता है. सो शी हैज़ अ पेट कैट. हैज़ंट शी. इट इज़ंट कोल्ड टुडे. इज़ इट. यू आर 10 years old. आरंट यू. Dolphins are very playful, aren't they? बेटा आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में देख लीजिएगा. आई एम सेंडिंग द लिंक ऑल्सो ऑफ टैग क्वेश्चन. They haven't left for airport, have they? Now have क्यों आया, यहाँ नॉट नहीं आया, बिकॉज यहाँ पर हमारे पास पहले से नॉट था. The boy was given the brave award, wasn't he? Okay, he क्यों आया, बिकॉज इट्स बॉय. Okay, pronoun यूज करते हैं. Now we moving to the question answer. That's enough for the exercise. Now question answers, and we have questions at page number 4 actually. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, here. Okay, this is the question we have. I do see any giant, Sancho said firmly. Now